Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the temperature of your Delonghi Magnifica S coffee machine. So if you find that even when you've heated your milk up or you've frothed it up that the coffee tastes a little bit cold, it could be because you've got the setting on the machine a little bit too cold. There's 4 different settings. So what we have to do is we have to make sure that the machine is off. You can see right now it's on, wanting to make coffee. We've got to make sure that it's off, but we've got to keep it plugged in and the switch has to be on at the back. So you can see we're ready to go. We're going to turn it off, let it perform its shutdown cycle, but don't take it out of the mains. Have electricity still go into it. Okay, so you can see now it's off, but there's still power in it. We're going to hold down this button here for about 5 seconds until the lights flash up here. There we go. That now means that we are the second heat along. So let me go through by hitting this button here. That's the 3rd hottest, and that is the hottest, and that is the coldest. So you can see we're moving along. That's the 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So you want to put it to whatever temperature you think will be better. It will make more difference on when you for example, do this one here on longer drinks. So let's go to there. That will be the hottest setting. And to confirm, we need to do this one here. Obviously, if you want it on the coldest setting, you would confirm by hitting this one here on here. But I'm going to do it on here. Confirm. And then it will go off. And that's it. Now, next time we turn it on, it will be at its hottest setting. Thanks for watching.